Rolling. Hey gang, fellow YouTubers. This is Randy with Randog 1951. I'm going to attempt today to, I guess they call it flipping the axle to my newly acquired 2014 Pace cargo trailer. It's the box is 10 feet, the width is 6 feet, but and I head out on the road and try to get up into the woods and the logging roads that I frequented when I was getting firewood. Got pretty bumpy, and this thing's setting at about 7 or 8 inches clearance. And I was watching YouTube, Bob Wells, and he had Jim from Denver on, and he had his travel trailer lifted, he called it, and he could drive over a basketball. So that got me to thinking, I wish I hadn't seen it, because now I've got another job to do. But anyway, I'd rather get it done here at my buddy's place in Post Falls, Idaho, before I head out to see the USA. Anyway, I checked out YouTube, and there's quite a few YouTube videos on leaf springs and removing the bushings, but there aren't many showing the process of flipping one of these axles. So I thought I'd record it. Hopefully it'll help somebody, and we'll go from there. So I've set up a 3-ton jack in the back, put a couple of 4x8s that I had using as ramps, and so that's set in place. And I'm going to switch you around. Let's see, how do I change this, buddy? Let's see. Okay, bear with me. Okay, how do I reverse it? Sorry, gang. I'll just turn you around. Anyhow, this is what I have set up now. It's a little 2-ton jack. The trailer itself on the title shows it's a little over 1,300 pounds. So I'm getting set up, bracing so I don't have anything fall on me. I'm extremely cautious. One point in time, you probably can't see it, but I ran up on the palm of my hand. Oh yeah, you can see it. I was changing a wife's snow tires, and anyhow, I found out what it's like for those poor animals that get trapped, and so I'm very cautious. And if you attempt to do this, you can't be too careful. Anyhow, I ran the jack through my hand, got it caught between the bumper, and it was one of the most painful things I've gone through so far. So here we go. I'm going to cut you off, turn you off, and I'll record this as I progress. Okay, y'all take care and be safe. Let's see. Where am I shooting? Where's my thumb? Oh, I'm recording. Oh, I get it. Okay. Thumbs up. Please subscribe. Adios.